Wheel life, is this wheel life? Finally made it to the beach. Came all the way down to the south of Spain. A couple of days of rain. Chef's getting his delivery. We found a place without a disabled parking lot. Pulled up anyways. We found people swimming at the beach. La Salle. Looks like a fancy place. Not so smooth. Trying this new one take action. Because edit life is hard. About that life.
That life.
And I just popped the bottle.
Come on.
My man right here. Popping that bottle.
We never thought we would be warm enough for bubbles.
Cute guy.
Like,
Boom.
Gracias.
Make it rain, baby. Make it rain.
Gracias.
By accident or by perfect timing, we've arrived at local festivity celebrating the best. Just bought a plate, super nice, super tasty, super fresh. And the guys are getting the awards right now. My vote goes out to Antonio.
A José Antonio Sánchez Periaño.
Antonio! He's at the Estepona Boulevard at the beach. It's pretty tight, it's lit. Estepona is super accessible because of all the golden oldies. The shops, restaurants, everything is very nicely accessible and the people are very friendly. Playing big chess, very big chess. Inside the orchidarium factory right here. No branches or leaves. Orchidarium right here. Voila. Some stuff going on. Up this slope with Sahar. Slowly getting destroyed. Slowly getting destroyed. Slowly getting destroyed. Almost. 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 Yeah. A nice place. Yeah.
Ene eski دیگه سونیا ساکت شو. Rolling. No crashing. Keep rolling.
You can hear a waterfall. This is why we're here. Magnifica. There's only one left. And they grow in Africa somewhere. Evil as shit. Boom. Boom. We hit the jackpot around here. It's a lot of nice flowers. It's happening. It's popping. It's flowering. The sun is nice. Ceiling is nice. This whole place pretty dope. Check this out. Tight little buddies. Don't touch, no tocar. Branch with a nice, oh look at the shade of green in this. So this place is pretty nice, but it's all make-believe. Because this, what you're looking at, what you would think is a tree, is not a tree. I just saw a little bit in construction. Let's see if I can do this one-hand operation, steering, going through the bamboo. Bamboo, bitch! I was excited to see a ramp go all the way down, but the motherfucker starts with stairs. So I got to take this elevator. We're going one floor down. See what's up. It's all glass. It's a nice elevator. Elevator music. Why elevator music when you can have that trap sound? Lean in my cup. Fishy. One of the waterfalls. The other two Yay! The architect of this place really thought about how to make the levels, the height, the waterfalls, and keep the whole place accessible. So you're able to reach everywhere. You just have to go in a different type of flow. Underneath the waterfall, pretty thick architecture. Ceilings in the back. Very nice. Start off with some red flowers in the back. Rotate it. So this is a waterfall. Boom.
Wow!
Start off.
Wow!
Check out
Wow!
this pretty sick
Crazy.
waterfall situation. 1, 2, and 3. Pretty sick, right? Wow. And now we're getting wet. We're getting wet, people. We're getting wet. 45 seconds. That was a quick waterfall. But we saw it and we enjoyed it. They ran out of water. So one falls like a waterfall. Pretty sick architecture. You know Arthur? Biggest flower of them all.